If you're a man over 60 and you've started to notice that your energy isn't quite what it used to be, or maybe your vitality in the bedroom has quietly faded, you're far from alone. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows that testosterone levels decline naturally by about 1% per year after age 40. Combine that with a slower metabolism, increased inflammation, and a loss of muscle mass. And suddenly, you may find yourself wondering where your old spark went. But here's the truth. This decline is not inevitable. The human body is built for vitality at every age. It just needs the right kind of fuel, nutrients that work with your body's natural systems to restore hormonal balance, improve circulation, and support energy at the cellular level. In this video, we'll explore 3 powerful science-backed superfoods that can help reignite that spark naturally and safely without expensive supplements or risky medications. Let's begin with one of the simplest and most overlooked foods in the male diet: pumpkin seeds. At first glance, they might seem ordinary, but these tiny seeds are an absolute powerhouse when it comes to men's health. They're rich in zinc, magnesium, healthy fats, and antioxidants, nutrients that all play a direct role in supporting testosterone production, improving prostate health, and maintaining overall vitality. A 2016 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men with low zinc levels had significantly lower testosterone levels than those with adequate intake. Zinc acts as a cofactor for enzymes that synthesize testosterone in the testes. Without enough zinc, your body simply can't produce this essential hormone efficiently. That same deficiency has been linked to fatigue, low libido, and even an increased risk of prostate enlargement. Pumpkin seeds don't stop there. They're also one of the best dietary sources of magnesium, a mineral that over 60% of adults are deficient in according to data from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey. Magnesium plays a crucial role in more than 300 enzymatic processes in the body, including muscle function, blood sugar regulation, and nerve transmission. A 2011 study in Biological Trace Element Research showed that men with higher magnesium levels also had higher free testosterone levels. Magnesium helps maintain normal nerve and muscle function, supports the immune system, and promotes better sleep, all of which are key to vitality and sexual performance. Integrating pumpkin seeds into your daily routine is simple. Just 2 tablespoons per day. Roughly a small handful can make a real difference. You can eat them raw, roast them lightly to enhance flavor, or sprinkle them on salads and smoothies. The combination of zinc and magnesium works synergistically to regulate hormones, relax muscles, and improve sleep quality. And when you sleep better, your body naturally produces more testosterone during the night. That's one reason men who address mineral deficiencies often find their energy returning. Not in a burst, but gradually, as their systems rebalance. Better sleep, higher testosterone, and calmer nerves translate to more focus during the day and better performance when it counts. Now, let's move to the second superfood that every man over 60 should pay attention to: dark berries, especially blueberries and blackberries. These fruits may seem like simple snacks, but they contain one of nature's most powerful compounds, anthocyanins. These are the pigments responsible for the deep blue and purple colors, and they have a remarkable impact on blood flow, cardiovascular health, and endurance. A 2016 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men who consumed higher amounts of anthocyanins had a 14% lower risk of developing erectile dysfunction compared to those who rarely ate them. The mechanism behind this lies in nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing for improved circulation. When nitric oxide levels are low, blood flow decreases, which affects not only energy and stamina, but also erectile strength. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Gerontology reported that endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to dilate and contract, declines with age, and that flavonoid-rich foods like berries can help reverse that trend. Improved blood flow isn't just about intimacy, it's about overall vitality. When oxygen and nutrients circulate efficiently, your muscles perform better, your brain stays sharper, and your heart works with less strain. Dark berries are also low in sugar compared to most fruits, making them an excellent choice for controlling insulin levels. That's important because insulin resistance, a condition where the body struggles to use insulin properly, is closely linked to fatigue, weight gain, and erectile dysfunction. Adding dark berries to your daily diet is easy. Half a cup of blueberries or blackberries is enough to see benefits. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie. Frozen berries actually retain most of their nutrients, so they're convenient year-round. Over time, you may notice subtle changes: sharper focus, steadier energy, and improved endurance during both exercise and intimacy. The antioxidants in berries also help protect your brain. A long-term study from Harvard University, published in Annals of Neurology in 2012, found that regular consumption of blueberries and strawberries delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. Although that study focused on women, the cognitive benefits of anthocyanins apply to everyone. When your brain and blood vessels function better, so does every other system in your body. The third superfood on this list is one that few people realize is essential for hormonal health: Brazil nuts. These rich, buttery nuts are an exceptional source of selenium, a trace mineral that the body needs in small amounts but cannot produce on its own. Selenium is vital for testosterone production, sperm health, thyroid function, and overall energy metabolism. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that selenium deficiency significantly impairs testosterone synthesis and reduces sperm motility. Another study in biological trace element research found that selenium supplementation improved testosterone levels and sperm quality in men struggling with infertility. Beyond reproductive health, selenium functions as a potent antioxidant, helping protect cells from oxidative stress, a key factor that accelerates aging and reduces energy output. Brazil nuts are also rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. These nutrients support cardiovascular health and hormone regulation by improving cell membrane function and reducing inflammation. The recommended amount of Brazil nuts is small, just 2 to 3 nuts a day. That provides about 200 micrograms of selenium, enough to meet the daily requirement. It's important not to exceed this amount, because too much selenium can have adverse effects. A 2015 study in Nutrients noted that selenium supports thyroid hormone conversion from T4 to T3, the active form that influences metabolism, energy, and mood. A well-functioning thyroid keeps your body's metabolic rate high, helping you maintain muscle, burn fat, and stay mentally sharp. Over time, consistent intake of Brazil nuts can help you feel more energized, emotionally balanced, and physically responsive. Now, here's what makes these 3 superfoods especially powerful. They work synergistically. Pumpkin seeds provide the raw materials, like zinc and magnesium, for testosterone production. Dark berries improve blood flow, ensuring those hormones and nutrients reach the right places in the body. And Brazil nuts support the thyroid and hormonal balance through selenium. Together, they create what you could call a vitality triangle, covering hormone production, circulation, and energy metabolism. A 2022 review published in Frontiers in Nutrition emphasized that men with diets rich in zinc, magnesium, selenium, and polyphenols showed significantly higher testosterone levels, better vascular function, and improved endurance. The same nutrients that support sexual health also improve heart health, mood, and overall energy. That's the beauty of this natural approach. One set of foods can enhance multiple aspects of your life simultaneously. The deeper reason these foods work lies in how they support your mitochondria, the tiny structures in your cells that produce energy. After age 60, mitochondrial efficiency begins to decline, which means your cells generate less ATP, the molecule that powers everything from muscle contractions to brain activity. This is why many men feel fatigue even after a full night's rest. But antioxidant-rich foods like berries and selenium-packed nuts help protect and even rejuvenate mitochondria. A 2019 study published in Nutrients showed that selenium and polyphenols from berries reduce oxidative stress in aging tissues and improve mitochondrial function. When your mitochondria work better, your energy levels rise naturally, without caffeine or stimulants. You recover faster from workouts, your mind stays clearer, and your body responds more readily during intimacy. That's real vitality, the kind that builds from the inside out. If you're wondering how to make these foods a seamless part of your day, here's a simple routine you can start immediately. In the morning, add a handful of pumpkin seeds and half a cup of blueberries or blackberries to your oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or smoothie. This combination provides steady energy and hormonal support to start the day strong. For lunch or an afternoon snack, toss a few pumpkin seeds into a salad or smoothie. Then, in the evening, eat 2 Brazil nuts after dinner. This pattern ensures your body receives zinc, magnesium, antioxidants, and selenium at regular intervals throughout the day. Over a few weeks, you may start to notice differences. Better sleep, more mental focus, improved mood, and renewed energy. The changes won't happen overnight, but they will come steadily as your body recalibrates its internal chemistry. It's worth addressing a few misconceptions here. Many men believe that food alone can't make a real difference once testosterone declines, but that's not supported by science. A 2021 systematic review published in Nutrients concluded that dietary optimization remains one of the most effective and sustainable ways to support hormonal health and physical vitality in aging men. Nutrient deficiencies, poor sleep, chronic stress, and inactivity are the main accelerators of hormonal decline, not simply aging itself. When you correct those deficiencies with the right foods, your body often rebounds in surprising ways. These natural foods don't force hormone production the way synthetic testosterone does. Instead, they nourish the systems that regulate hormones naturally. The result is balance, smoother energy, improved mood, and better physical function without the side effects that come with hormone replacement therapies. Think of this process like tuning a classic car. Over the years, the engine gets sluggish not because it's broken, but because it needs clean oil, good fuel, and a bit of maintenance. Your body works the same way. When you provide it with the right nutrients, zinc, magnesium, selenium, and antioxidants, it starts to operate as it was meant to. You may begin to wake up feeling more refreshed, experience better stamina throughout the day, and regain a level of vitality you thought was gone for good. This isn't about turning back the clock, it's about restoring the energy and confidence that make life enjoyable at any age. Let's recap. Pumpkin seeds provide zinc and magnesium to support testosterone production and prostate health. Dark berries improve circulation and endurance by increasing nitric oxide and protecting blood vessels. Brazil nuts supply selenium and healthy fats to maintain hormonal balance and energy metabolism. Together, they work harmoniously to enhance vitality, strength, and clarity of mind. They're affordable, easy to find, and backed by research from top institutions around the world. No magic pills, no drastic diets, just consistent nourishment that supports the systems your body already relies on. The best part? These superfoods don't come with side effects. They don't disrupt your system. they support it gently and powerfully. Over time, they can help restore what stress, aging, and modern living have chipped away: energy, confidence, connection. The kind of grounded masculinity that comes not from trying to be young again, but from feeling fully alive in your own body. If this message resonates with you, take it as your sign to start today. Begin with one of these superfoods. Maybe pumpkin seeds, since they're easy to find, and make it part of your daily habit for a week. Then add in dark berries. After 2 weeks, include 2 Brazil nuts each evening. Observe how your energy, sleep, and mood begin to shift. Vitality doesn't come from a single miracle supplement. It's built through small, consistent actions that nourish your body over time. So if this information gave you value, if it helped you feel more hopeful, informed, or motivated, take a moment to like this video so more men can discover it too. Subscribe for future insights on men's health, longevity, and natural energy. And in the comments below, share which superfood you're starting with. Because when men support each other in reclaiming their vitality, we all rise together. Remember, aging isn't the end of strength, it's the beginning of mastery. You're not finished, you're evolving. Fuel your body, nurture your mind, and your energy will follow. You are built for vitality, and it's still within your reach.